Got a messy Excel sheet where one cell crams in a whole list of team leads and teams, all mixed together with colons and semicolons? Let's clean that up in just a few clicks with Power Query. I've got a simple table here. 6 different projects. For each project, the team lead and teams column has multiple pairs, like John Doe, Team A, Sarah Smith, Team B, all jammed into one cell. First, I'll load this table to Power Query. Just select it and click Data from Table, Range. Now, with the team lead and teams column selected, let's go to Home Split column and click By Delimiter. Select Custom, choose a colon and space, and split it at most left delimiter. Then click OK. Now, we have split the team lead and the team members. Next, let's split the teams into rows. Select the team columns, select Split by Delimiter, select Custom, then enter semicolon and space. Under the Advanced option, select Rows, and click OK. We have successfully splitted the team members into rows. Let's rename the new columns as Team Leads and Team Members. Finally, I'll hit Close and Load. Here you have it. We have a clean, structured table that's ready for filtering, charts, or a pivot table. No manual copy-paste mess. Power Query makes fixing messy text data super quick, whether it's project teams, lists of names, or anything else that's stuck in a single cell. That's part 30 of our 500+ Excel tips in the playlist. If this tip saved you time, go ahead and subscribe for more quick Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.